Good morning, dear students. Greetings from OHM Institute. In this video, I would like to give few updates related to Genco newly added extra subjects online as well as offline course. With respect to online course, it is a live plus recorded course. You can attend the classes in the live, and even if you miss the live also, live recording will be available. And live recording you can watch them any number of times. And usually we are getting many calls related to on what platform these live classes are running. We have a app called Om Live. Earlier we used to have a app called Om Online Plus. It is for pre-recorded lectures course. Kindly note that these extra subject courses will run on app called OHM Live. So if you are using any Android device, you have to install Om Live app. And if you want to use laptop or desktop, we have a website called www.ominstitute.live. So if you want to use both the devices, you can use Om Live app in the mobile, and in the laptop or desktop www.ominstitute.live. But at any point of time you can use a single device. So you have to log out from the mobile, then you can log in into the laptop, and whenever you want to shift from laptop to mobile, you have to log out from the laptop and you can use it in the Om Live app. Kindly note that it is not Om Online Plus app, it is Om Live app, right? And with respect to these online courses, you will be having a Telegram group where we'll be posting the schedules of the classes, and immediately after the class, within 3 to 4 hours of time, that live recording will be processed and uploaded in the app. The notes corresponding to that particular live class PDF will be uploaded in the app or website, and you can watch the recordings any number of times. And also online test series is given at free of cost with this live plus recorded lectures course. So recently we announced, along with this course, we are also giving our AE pre-recorded lectures course, full course, at free of cost for 1 month. So if you have any doubts in the core subjects like any machines or power systems or power electronics or signals and system, any other our old syllabus of Genco, you can access all those lectures in Om Online Plus app, not on the Om Live app. In Om Online Plus app, it is compatible with both mobile or tab. So these lectures you can watch them any number of times for 1 month, and these free access will start giving within a week, and it will be there up to 1 month. And whenever you are getting any doubts in the while watching the recordings of live lectures, you will be having a Telegram group with all the faculty. You can interact with the faculty in the Telegram group. So along with the lecture notes, we will also provide you practice questions as handouts, and that will be uploading in the app or website. So these are the updates related to live plus recorded lectures course for Genco newly added subjects. When it comes to Genco newly added subjects course in offline, yesterday we have started offline batch, and now we are running the classes from 9 to 1, and sometimes during weekends we may be having classes, full day classes also. So in offline also, so for every subject we'll be giving the practice questions as handouts, and we'll be conducting class test immediately after the completion of each subject. And in online also, for online students also, we'll be giving the online exams, right? This is with respect to offline course and online course with respect to Genco newly added subject course. So if anybody wants to take any particular subjects like old subjects, we have 2 subject combination courses in our Om Online Plus app. In Om Online Plus app, you can check the courses, and its validity is 3 months. You can access the 2 subjects of any combination which are mentioned in the Om Online Plus app for 3 months, and online test series is also there in the Om Online Plus app. And here I would like to tell you about one very good book we have released from the OHM Institute. So it is a electrical engineering Genco Transco Discom book. It is electrical engineering Genco Transco Discom book. It contains around 3600 bits. So these 3600 bits with respect to previously conducted Genco, Transco, Discoms and AEE Polytechnic exams related to AP and Telangana. And we have updated till recently conducted January AEE exam. So it has a good source of questions and with a detailed explanation. All the previous questions with a detailed explanation is there. You can find this book in the Amazon. Presently it's out of stock, and within a week again it will get back into the Amazon. Thank you. Have a nice day.